Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a quick little Miniso haul because let's be real, who walks into Miniso and comes out empty handed? Not me at least. Alright, let's dive in. So, first up, I grabbed this acetone free nail polish remover. It's lavender scented and it comes with 30 wipes, plus it's enriched with vitamin E. All that for just 60 rupees. Perfect for quick touch-ups on the go. So you can give it a try and let me know in the comment section what is your favorite Miniso buy lately. Also, more hauls are coming soon, so I'm gonna come up with this shopping series where I'm gonna add a few more videos from different stores, and let's see how it is going to be. I even tried it and it's working perfectly fine. So then I picked up 3 hand masks, super nourishing, especially with all the hand washing we do sometimes. We do require these hand masks. Plus, in this heated summer, my hands get really dry, and I have used them personally and they work really well. And so this is my second purchase. So these hand masks are like one for 120, other for 120 again, and then this different one is for 100 rupees. So it's somewhere between 120 to 100 rupees. Then for the face, I have picked up this calming rice sheet mask. It is very simple, soothing, and it's just for rupees 60.
So I would recommend you reading all the steps before you apply it on your face and do a patch test as well. Though it has got good ingredients like rice and all, but still you should do a patch test before applying anything on your face.
And then for some self-care, I've also got 3 foot masks and the pricing is same. So it's for 120 and then 100 rupees. So you can expect the same nourishment and exfoliation and all those things from foot masks as well. So these also I've tried, especially if you have really dry feet, then you can try these and they work like magic. So these have like a 1 pair of each, and then you have to keep it for like 20 minutes, and once you wear it you just keep it, and then it will be nourishing, moisturizing, and then the one which has the exfoliation, that will be doing the exfoliation as well. These are very soft, it makes your feet like very soft, so it's very good. And as I said, this one is for 100 rupees, only this one. The other two are 120 each, and here are the steps how to use it. So you can give it a try. It says like a 20 gram or something, it has some quantity, but that's the quantity of the serum, I guess. Also, then I have stocked up on some skincare helpers. I got these pimple patches, so 2 packs of pimple patches, 120 rupees each, because they come in very handy whenever you have like a small pimple or anything. And also these pimple patches come in 2 sizes, so you have like, when you open this pack, you have 2 sizes of pimple patches. So if you have a small pimple, then you can use the smaller one, or if you have a bigger one, then you can use the big patch, and it works. You have to apply it for some time and just let it be there. So here, as the name suggests, it is kind of a sticker itself, and here as you can see you have 2 sizes. The one, the bigger one, that is for the big pimples, and the smaller one is for the smaller pimples. You just have to remove it and apply it and keep it for some time, as I mentioned. This also you can give it a try. I have already used 2 boxes of it, and now this is my repurchase of another 2 boxes. Also, I've got these nose strips for 170 rupees each to help with the stubborn blackheads.
So if I tell you about my experience of using these nose strips, it actually works. All of my blackheads and whiteheads were removed. Apart from that, oil and dirt also, it kind of removed it. So my experience was like, I first washed my face and then I pat dried it, and then I applied these strips, and then I kept it for some time. Then I gently removed it, and I saw a lot of blackheads and whiteheads on that. I don't use it very much regularly, but yeah, once a week I give it a try, and then I see the lot of differences there. So you can also give it a try. Just don't try to rip that off very harshly. You have to use it gently. Okay, then next, this wallet I have purchased, and it's of very good quality. I think it was around 400 rupees. I've also pasted some stickers on that, but that is a personal my addition to it.
Onto the accessories, I could not resist, but I had to buy these cute earring set. It's only for 190 rupees, and it also has like each earring has two set of stoppers. I don't know why they have given an extra one, maybe just because if you, in case you lose one of them. So also have this minimal bracelet which is only for 250 rupees. This I found a little bit on the expensive side, but also looking at the quality and everything, it really is super amazing. I've also tried to wear it as an anklet and was looking great. So yeah, that is also an option. So that's everything I picked up from Miniso this time. It's a little mix of like skincare and accessories, but everything is under budget. I think no item is above 250 rupees. Everything is under 250 only. So you can give it a try and let me know in the comment section what is your favorite Miniso buy. Bye guys.